Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change language in BlueStack app player. So here we go. You can try to install or download and install this BlueStack 5, for example. So the BlueStack, there's a BlueStack 10 or X, and also the BlueStack 4. So in my system I installed this BlueStack 5 BlueStack app player. So here, as you can see, this BlueStack just opening. This is the home page or the start page of BlueStack, directly into this BlueStack application store. So maybe you don't understand, maybe you a little bit difficult to understand the English, because by default the BlueStack use the English as a language on its interface. So maybe you want to change into your native language. So in order to do it, you can try to click click three stripes at the top right corner of your screen and click settings. Here you can try to find preferences option, and here we go. The first settings that you can change is the language. So the default is English United States. So maybe you want to change into your into the Arabic. If you're from the Arabs country and you want to change, you can free to change it. Or from the German, you can try to choose the Deutschland here. Espanol, there is Espanol, Espana, from the Spanish language country. You can change into this Espanol. And Francais, if you're from France native language or Francais native language, you can change. There's Indonesian here, Southeast Asia language, or Malaysia here, you can choose this. Italia, and then there is this is the Japanese, and this is the Korean, and Polski, Portuguese or Brazil, Russian, Thailand, Turkey, sorry, Vietnam, and this is the traditional of Mandarin, and this is also same. This is the Mandarin. There are two Mandarin here. So feel free to try to change your native language in this interface of BlueStack. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.